In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slack reminders to keep your workday on track. Slack reminders are a simple built-in tool that can help you stay organized without leaving your workspace. Whether you need a quick nudge to follow up with someone, finish a task, or check in on a project later in the day, reminders can save time and help you avoid forgetting important details. To get started, open the Slack app on your computer or mobile device, or go to your Slack workspace in a web browser. Once you're signed in, you're ready to create a reminder. Next, click into any chat. This can be a direct message or a public channel. The nice thing about Slack reminders is that you can enter the command from almost anywhere in Slack, so you don't need to hunt for a special menu or settings page. In the message box, type a /, then the word remind, and press the spacebar. This tells Slack that you want to create a reminder using a shortcut command. If you're new to / commands, don't worry. They're just quick text commands that trigger actions inside Slack. After that, type what you want to be reminded about, followed by when you want the reminder to happen. For example, you might enter a task along with a time like tomorrow at 9 a.m. or in 2 hours. Try to be specific with the reminder text so that when it appears later, you immediately know what action to take. Once your reminder is written out, press Enter or Return on your keyboard to send the command. Slack will then confirm the reminder with a private message so you'll know it was created successfully. That confirmation is helpful because it lets you double check that the task and timing were understood correctly. If you ever want to see all of your current reminders, type /reminders into any message box and press Enter. Slack will show you a list of your active reminders in one place, which makes it easy to review what's coming up. From that reminders list, you can mark a task as complete when you're done, or delete it if you no longer need it. This helps keep your list clean and useful instead of cluttered with outdated items. And that's it. Once you get used to using Slack reminders, they can become a fast and reliable part of your daily routine, helping you stay focused, organized, and productive. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.